Hey folks, we're here today to show you how to install the Altria adjustable pusher kits. There's two kits, the QS505, which is a 4-wide kit, and the QS506, which is a 5-wide kit. Each of the kits comes with a base tray and a track to attach it to a shelf, as well as the appropriate number of dividers and pushers for those kits. As you get ready to assemble the adjustable trays, we highly recommend that you assemble them on a flat, solid surface. You can assemble them in the fixtures, but it is very difficult. To begin with, you're going to need to decide, am I assembling individual trays, or am I connecting the trays together to make a bigger tray? The benefit of connecting the trays is that you can put more facings of product across the full width of that versus the individual trays. To begin connecting the trays together, you're going to need a tool. You can use a large flat blade screwdriver. You can use a coin like a nickel or a quarter, or in a pinch, you can even use the divider that comes in the kit to turn the cams and lock them together. So to connect the trays, you simply align them together and then turn the cams in the 5-wide tray clockwise to lock in the 4-wide tray. When you are done and the connection is secure, you're ready to install your pushers and dividers. Once your trays are connected, you're ready to start installing your dividers and pushers to hold your product. We want to note that on the outsides of the trays, there are some small metal clips. Those are used to hold the dividers in their outermost position. To start, take a divider and install it on one end, and then snap it into place. Now, working across the tray, what you're going to want to do is use your product for a template and then alternate installing your pushers and dividers. Couple things we want to note. It's important that you keep the dividers and pushers perfectly straight and aligned with each other, and to do that, there's some lines on the bottom of the tray. This is so when you go to merchandise it, the product slides easily. Once you get the first few going, then you just continue and build down the line, alternating your pushers and dividers. To install a divider, you first have to hook it over the back edge and rotate it downward, and then press firmly to snap it into the front channel. If you need to align it, you can wiggle it a little bit to get it nice and straight. To install a pusher, you're going to want to push it all the way into the back channel, making sure it's as far back as you can go. Then you're going to want to lower it into place until the front tab on the pusher aligns with the small channel on the front of the tray. You can pull back the pusher to get a little more room, and then firmly pushing down, it'll snap into place. If you're having difficulty pushing the pusher down into that channel, sometimes it's easier to insert the one corner by rotating it slightly, inserting that corner and rolling it into place. As you can see, we finished snapping all the dividers and pushers into this connected tray to put in all of this Enjoy product. We want to mention again that it is best to assemble the pushers and dividers in the tray on a solid surface instead of trying to build them in the fixture. Once you have all the pushers and dividers in place, you're ready to install the tray into the fixture. Included with every adjustable pusher tray kit is a brand new track to put it on a harbor fixture. To install tracks, first look at the shelf and see if there's an existing track you can use. If the track on the fixture is not black, then you should replace it. To install the new tracks, simply take the tabs on the bottom of the track, align them with the 3 slots on the shelf, and press down and snap them into place. Do that for all the tracks you have to do for your adjustable pusher tray kits. And like this Flex 1 shelf we're using as an example, you're now ready to install your adjustable trays. Put your adjustable trays into the fixture. Simply adjust the tracks to match your trays and put the feet on the bottom of the trays in the back, aligned with the openings in the track. Tilt the tray and gently slide it back. Pull it forward so that you can make sure that it's in properly and you're ready to merchandise. Once the adjustable trays are installed in the fixture, please remember to clean up the area and discard or recycle the packing material.